Hello everyone, in this video we will talk on basis of voltage. Substances in nature are usually neutral, so the number of protons and electrons they have are the same. But in some cases objects may be loaded negatively or positively. In the negatively charged objects, the number of electrons are more than protons, and the electrons repel each other, so an outward pressure occurs in the object. However, when a negatively charged body connects with a positively charged or negatively charged source, in order to get rid of excess electrons, it will ask to send excess electrons on it to the opposite source. A negatively charged materials has many electrons and has many tension, many press. On the other hand, a positively charged body, since the number of protons is more than the number of electrons, it needs to get electrons from another source to become neutral. In other words, it applies a force of attraction towards itself. The positively charged materials has lack of electrons, and to be neutral, it needs to get electrons from other sources. So, when we connect a negatively charged materials to ground, this guy will send more electrons to ground to be neutral. Also, the positively charged materials connected to ground, this guy will take electrons from ground because it has a lack of electrons to be neutral. If there is a voltage somewhere, there are absolutely two sources, because the voltage is a potential difference between two sources, one source and other source. When we connect a multimeter between them, we can see a voltage. Also, when we connect these guys each other in a circuit system, this guy will send more electrons to neutral because the press here is higher than here. This process will continue until the press is equal. Also, one source can be negatively charged, other source can be positively charged. Also, between this guy there is a potential difference, and when we connect the multimeter, we can see a voltage. But we say a potential difference between two sources. For example, in this screen, the one source is negatively charged source, the other positively charged source. The potential difference between this guy and this guy is different, but the potential difference between this and this guy is different. We call the situation as voltage. When we connect a circuit system, this guy will send electrons towards the other source. We can see more source examples in the nature. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.